another Excel demo with Rich Kerr from Apex Excel Training. In this scenario, I'll show you how to use the image function to pull an image directly inside the confines of a cell in your spreadsheet. So I've got a list of aircraft names in column A, and those aircraft names also represent the file names that are a picture of the aircraft. So the picture of the 747 is a file called 747.jpg, and I've got those images saved on a GitHub repository. You need an HTTPS style URL to work with the image function. So let's take a look at how this would work. So I'll go into cell B2 and we'll do equals image, open paren, and then you need a path to your file. So this is the path to my GitHub repository, and then I'm going to do a close quote, and then with my and symbol I can concatenate or attach the aircraft name, which again is the file name. So I'll say and A2 and then and.jpg, right? So all of my files that I have there are JPEGs. So if I do it this way, then I can just fill the file or fill the formula down to capture the image of all the other aircraft. So now with your image function, if I type a comma, you can also put alt text if you want, if you feel like that's necessary. If you don't want to put your alt text, of course it's optional. We can see the square brackets around that parameter. Comma, this next parameter lets me determine the sizing mode for this function. So 0 will just fill the or fit the image inside the cell. It may leave some spaces around it if it's not the same proportion as the proportion of the length and height or the width and height of your cell. But option number 1 will stretch the image to fill the full cell. So I like that option. Of course, option 2 will keep it the original size, which may or may not look right depending on how your images are sized. And then option 3 lets you specify then a certain height and width. But I'm going to go again with option number 1, fill cell. So close paren, and there's the image of the 747 being pulled in with that image function. And since the other files are also named for the aircraft they represent, I'll just double click the autofill handle, and there are all of my aircraft images pulled in using the image function. And the images will stay with the appropriate aircraft name, just like any other data point. Like if I were to go and sort this data, we see that the images stay with the appropriate aircraft name. So that's it. I hope you find it useful. Please come back soon for more Excel demos with Rich Kerr from Apex Excel Training. Have a great day. Peace.